After leveling, crowning and polishing the frets, it's time to install After leveling, crowning and polishing the frets, it's time to install some machine heads. These are Guyker, G-U-Y-K-E-R machine heads from AliExpress. They're locking, they're very inexpensive. How will they go? Let's see. Okay, so what do you have in store for us, AliExpress? Yeah, bit of weight. It says Guyker Professional Tuning Machines. Bit of weight in that. How does it sound? Well, I think it'd sound like any machine head. Have these little collars. So installation of this should be easy enough. Let's hope I ordered the 6 per side, because I've made that mistake before of ordering the wrong ones. Okay, let's get our, let's hope they fit too. That would go on the bottom, would it not? Goes in there, fits rather well. I'll just finger tighten it for now. Reason being, why would you finger tighten it first rather than just going for it? Because you want to line them up together before you commit. So I'll do that for the other 5. Okay, now that I have them aligned, the job at hand is to hand press the nipples into the wood. So I've already done this one. Just make sure they stay aligned. 2, 3. 4. 5. And 6, because we're going to make an impression. Take them out, take all 6 out again. And what we should have here is a bunch of marks. Now that we've made some indentations from the nipple, it's time to drill some extra room for the nipples. The holes were drilled, and we had to try a couple of different drill bits just to get them just big enough. I started off conservative and too small, which is probably a good idea. Goes in there like so, press down, and I've got the right size hole because I still have to press. Put the, is this called a bushing? No, probably. Put that in, finger tight. Now they're all finger tight and hopefully straight. Let's check for straightness, although it's not too late, but yeah, pretty good. Nothing the human eye will see. And whoop, is that the wrong way? Of course it is. Tighten these up a tad. Come on, yeah. Just try not to strip it at all. Actually, that bit, it's a little bit big. That bit is too big. So let's look for something smaller. I take back what I said about the 13/32 bits. It's actually 8mm that fits the closest, although it's not entirely perfect. And Just want to keep them on. Make sure it's not going anywhere. So no need to over tighten, eh? But I can feel those nipples slipping into the wood a bit, so there is a bit of give. And there you have it. Well installed machine heads that feel great. They do. They feel like my other Pro machine heads, and these are, what, third of the price, quarter of the price? So there we have our perfectly installed machine heads. Nice straight on the back. They feel great. They're inexpensive, but these feel fantastic. And I'm just checking they aren't staggered. Good. Now's not the time to check that, but they're not. So I might need string trees. That's okay. That's nothing. But I'm happy. They look good. They feel good.